Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add Meta Pixel to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add your Meta Pixel on. Go to settings from here, then marketing and Meta Pixel and ads. Add your Meta Pixel here. This is mine, just like that, and click on save. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. To verify that your metapixel is well added, all you need to do is to first install this Chrome extension called Metapixel Helper. It's official from Meta. Then click on this little arrow to go into the preview mode of your website. Refresh your page. And if you see a little green or a green square on this extension, it means that your metapixel is added successfully and well detected. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.